exhibit exhibit DD5.
DD5?
Is it DD5? What? GG1.
What?
You have exhibit GG1.
GG1.
Yes.
That's what we used yesterday, my lord?
Yes.
I haven't got it with me. I don't know.
Okay, yeah.
GG1. Yes. Can you proceed?
Yes. Yes, my
All
lord.
right. Let's quickly go to page 10 of the
Page 10.
page 10. That's correct.
Yes, my lord.
Then we commence from page 10. Time is 7:28, 16 seconds. Can you commence from there?
That's correct.
Time is what?
Time is 7:28, 16 seconds, my lord.
It's on
Page
page
10, man.
You say it's on page 10.
10, that's correct.
Okay, let's see. Maybe I'll catch up.
It's the sixth line from the bottom.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I see that.
That's correct. Can you place those records, those call records on record?
2772 27727668169. Made a call, MOC call originating on 26/10/2014 at 07:28:16 for 82 seconds to 277-127-9857 while in a 2G Moy Street SGS Tower. I can't show it. I've got the other, can just check quickly. I had one yesterday, but it's not the same pages, but we can,
So, sorry, can I?
yeah.
Can I call? Line 6 from the bottom. Sorry, my lord, I'm waiting for the
Yeah, no, fine.
interpreter.
Yeah,
So the number goes 072 768 8789. Isikhathi sika 1436 ngalo losuku lukamhla ka 80
26.
June
That,
2014. Kuthiwa lana I'm sorry.
yeah, it's
26.
me just check. I've got it yesterday. Let me just check where is it, my lord. Let me check which. I think I worked on that one. Let me check quickly where is that. I think I've got it. I think here it is. Let me just, yes, yes, it's not the same pages, but the data is here, I think. Let me just check quickly. The date is 2016.
2016,
2016.
2014, page 10.
Now, the smart pages will be other. 2016, 20. 0728, no, 0728.
Okay.
There it is.
The number is 072 7668169 on 26 October 2014. It's got 72816. Yeah, phone in number 071 279 8570. Bahlala ke imizuzwana elingana amashumi ayishagalombili nambili. Kokusetshenziswa lana i-tower kuthiwa 2G Moy Street SGS1.
So this Moy Street, does it indicate if the Moy Street in Johannesburg or?
I don't know. I don't know, my lord.
Njalo manje lo mgwaqo lo kuthiwa Moy Street ukhuluma ngawo yini uMoy Street lo segoli eJohannesburg wathi cha ngazi.
On the, at 17 minutes past 9, 31 seconds.
Yes.
Yes.
13 seconds, not 31.
It's 13 seconds, I beg.
Okay.
Now, which is that now?
Same page, my lord.
Same page?
Yes.
Line 5 from the bottom.
Line 5 from the bottom.
Yes.
So you say it's what? 9?
0917, my lord.
09 17 31.
Yes.
Okay.
277 727 668169 received a call on 26/10/2014 at 09/17/31 for 13 seconds from 277 44850 while in a 2G Moy Street SGS cell tower.
Choice number 072 766 8169 on 26 October 2014 isikhathi 9/17/31 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 074 485 0681 obakhuluma imizuzwana eyishumi nantathu kusetshenziswa yona ithawa u-2G Moy Street SGS1.
The next line is 0931 27 seconds. You see that?
266 seconds.
266, yeah.
Yes.
27727 668169 outgoing call MOC call originating for 266 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 09:31 27 to number 277 680 666 while in the 2G Voliter SGS 3 tower.
So, 26 October 2014 is Katiska 9/31/27. The number is 072 766 8169. Yeah, phonela in number 076 806 6676. Basibehlalo ecingweni imizuzwana eyamakhulu amabili namashumi ayisithupha nesithupha kusetshenziswa ke itower u2G volant hata SGS3.
Sorry, Mr. Mngomezulu, you say you don't know where Moy Street is.
Not me.
Oh, he doesn't know. Sorry.
Moy Street is in Johannesburg.
Yeah, fine.
I know where where Moy Street is, but I don't know where this tower.
Oh, okay, I hear you.
It's the Moy Street Tower. It's the same
yeah,
as, it's like the Queenswood.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't
Yeah,
know.
I hear you. I hear you.
Yes. Then the tower there, you said is
Volhitter.
Volhitter.
Where is that? Do you know?
Don't know, my lord.
I remember
Next to
that
Ellis Park.
the tower there volatile where
Because I live-
yes.
It's in Langsfield, Western.
Yeah.
Yes. May we proceed to 1041?
10:41, right?
It's 22nd, if I'm not mistaken.
49 seconds.
49 seconds. Pardon me with seconds. I'll just put the hours and the minutes.
10:41:20, 277 727 668169. Outgoing call MOC call originating for 49 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 10:41:20 to number 27727083206 and Celto 2G Vosloorus Square SGS 2.
The number was 072 766 8169 on 6 October 2014 is cut to 10:41:20. Yeah, fonela number lena 072 708 3206. Bahlala imizuzwana amashumi amane nesishiyagalolunye. Kusetshenziswa ke lapha itower 2G Vosloorus Square SGS 2.
Then let's go to 1127. The next one is 1127.
27727668169. Received a call MTC call terminating of 159 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 11:27:45 from cell phone number 2776 734 1666, cell phone tower 2G Moseleke SGS 1.
In number 072 766 8169 on 6 October 2014 is cut to 11:27:45. Yathola ucingo oluvela ku 076 734 1666. Bahlala ke imizuzwana eyikhulu nemashumi amahlanu nesishiyagalolunye. Lapho baqhunya itower lena 2G Msiliki SGS 1.
That Mseleki is in Katlehong.
I don't know, my lord. Can't comment, my lord.
Yo yamazini ukuthi lo Msiliki loyo usekahle wathi cha akukho ingakuphawula.
Let's go to 1150. 1150.
That's the last line on page 10, 277 2766169. MTC call terminating, call received of 147 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 11:50:01 from 27726171395 and the cell phone tower 2G Punegu SGS 3.
076 766 8169 26 October 2014 isikhathi 11:50:01. Yathola ucingo oluvela ku 0726171395 olahlala imizuzwana eyikhulu namashumi amane nesikhombisa. Kusetshenziswa ke itower letho 2G Punegu SGS 3.
Ponejo is the name of the high school in Katlehong.
Ngomunye umgwaqo lana osekatlehong.
Let's proceed to page 11 at 1226.
First line, page 11, 27772768169. Received the SMS, There's no other party but the cell phone tower 2G Tabo Nsaku SGS 2.
120727668169 umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 12:26:02 yathola i-SMS kodwa ke akuyisho lana ukuthi ithola ivela kuyiphi inombolo kodwa ke ithawa beqhubela ngayo mizothola le SMS go 2G tawenza ko SGS2.
Then we go to 1241.
Third line, page 11, 277 27668 169. Outgoing call MOC, originating call on 26/10/2014 at 12:41:17 to 27727083206 and the cell tower 2G Sali section SGS 3.
Isikhathi ku 12:26:45 ngawo usuku lwamhla 26 October 2014 le phone lana yafonela 076741 bahlala ke imizuzu elingana amakhulu amabili nemashumi ayisikhombisa nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa ithawa 2G Thabonzako SGS2.
Sali section is in Katlehong, Emazulwini.
Can't comment, my lord.
Let's move on. 1341.
277-72-668-169. Call originating, outgoing call MOC, 17 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 13:41:20 to number 27608435095 and the 2G Phosphorus SGS2 tower.
0727668169 umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 13:41:20 yafonela inamba 0608435095 bahlala imizuzwana yeshumi nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa le tower 2G Phosphorus SGS2.
All right. From that time, 1341, you will agree with me, up to 1443, it shows the same tower, Phosphorus SG. Just to avoid wasting time, it reflects the same tower.
Up until
1443.
1443. Yeah, then it's Phosphorus to west. That's correct, yes.
Athi uyabona ukuthi lapho ke kusuka isikhathi sika 1341:20 ukuyofika isikhathi sika 1443 khulunywa ngethawa eyodwa nje le 2G Phosphorus SGS. Wavu.
Yes, if we go to 1511.
That's correct.
Can we proceed from there? 1511.
277-268-169 received a call, MTC call terminating for 109 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 15:11:33 from 278469400603 cell tower 2G Phosphorus SGS 3.
0727668169 umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi sika 15:11:33 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 08469400603 lolu cingo labahlala kulona imizuzwana eyikhulu nesishiyagalolunye kusetshenziswa ke lethawa u-2G Phosphorus SGS3.
Then 1515.
277-727-668-169 received a call, MTC call terminating for 118 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 15:15:05 from number 27791490821 cell phone tower 2G Force Rest West SGS 2.
Phone is 0727668169 mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 15:15:05 yathola i-call evela ku 079
1519
079 1490821 bahlala emzuzu eyikhulu neshumi nesishiyagalombili setshenziswa yona le tower u-2G Phosphorus West SGS 2.
1519 2772668 call originating outgoing call MOC 65 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 15:19:32 to cell phone number 27723995787 2G Phosphorus SGS 3.
So 0727668169 mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 15:19:32 yathola yafonela ifoni u-072 3995787 bahlala imizuzwana amashumi ayisithupha nanhlanu kusebenziswa i-tower u-2G Phosphorus SGS 3.
Yes, from 1541 up to 1618.
It's the same tower,
The
Phosphorus
same
West.
tower, Phosphorus West.
That's correct, man.
Kusukela ku-1541 kuyofika ku-1618 kuyabonakala ukuthi hayi kusetshenziswa i-tower yodwa i-2G Phosphorus West SGS 2.
Let's go to 1704. Is it 4 minutes past 5?
2777667686169 received the call on 26/10/2014 at 17:04:39 for 124 seconds from 27712289072 cell phone tower 2G Heidelberg Road SGS 1.
Kuthiwa ke u-072766169 mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 17:04:39 yathola i-call evela ku-071 2289072 hlala khona ke imizuzwana eyikhulu namashumi amabili nane lapho ke babeqhumana khona nge-tower u-2G Heidelberg Road SGS 1.
So at 1734,
27726686169 outgoing call MOC call originating on 26/10/2014 at 17:34:48 for 11 seconds to 27833324220 in the 2G Benrose SGS 3 cell name.
072768169 mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 17:34:48 yafonela inumber 0833324220 bahlala imizuzwana eyishumi nanye kusetshenziswa i-tower u-2G Benrose SGS 3.
Penrose is in Johannesburg. Do you agree?
I know Benrose is in Joburg, but I don't know where's Benrose Tower.
Let's
But you
proceed.
uBenrose yebo usegoli kodwa ke iBenrose Tower akazi ukuthi la.
27726686169 call originating MOC call made on 26/10/2014 at 7:34:59 for 19 seconds at to number 27833324220 Salto 2G Benrose SGS 3.
Jana le number was 0727668169 mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 17:34:59 yaphinda yashayela inumber 0833 24220 bahlala imizuzwana eyishumi nesishiyagalolunye kusetshenziswa ithawa 2G Penrose SGS3.
Even 1737, is it the same tower?
2G Penrose SG3 and
ngo-1737 okwakuse le thawa ukuthi 2G Penrose SGS3.
also 1739, 36 also.
Correct, yes, it's Penrose also.
That's correct.
Let's move
Bathi
to,
now 1739 kwakuse uPenrose.
let's move to 1740.
Two 277268169 received a call, MTC call terminating on 26/10/2014 at 17:40:21 for 58 seconds from 27833240002 cell phone tower 2G City Deep SGS1.
072-766-8169 mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 17:40:21 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 083332422 bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi amahlanu nesishiyagalombili lapha bebeqhunywa ithawa u2G City Deep SGS1.
So you also agree do you agree that City Deep is in Johannesburg?
City Deep, the city is in Joburg. I don't know where's the tower, City Deep, this tower.
Uthi ke lana ngiyazi ukuthi iCity Deep iseJohannesburg kodwa angazi ukuthi ithawa ikuphi.
At 1809,
Also 2G City Deep SGS1.
Uthi nalapho ke u2G City Deep SGS1 ngesikhathi sika 1809.
at 1820 or 1826?
18?
Is it 1820?
20. Okay, 27726688169 received the call, MTC call terminating for 24 seconds on 26/10/2014, 18:20:54 from 27791490821 3G JP SGS tower.
2072-766-8169 mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 18:20:54 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-079-149-0821 imizuzu ke amashumi amabili nane kusetshenziswa i-2G JP SGS2.
JP is also a suburb in Johannesburg.
That's correct, my lord.
Wathi ya iGP enye indawo ezingaphansi kweJohannesburg wathi yebo kunjalo.
From that time, 1831,
1831 27726688169 received a call, MTC call terminating for 89 seconds on 26/10/2014 at 18:31:16 from 27723995787 cell tower 2G Voliter SGS1.
2077-266-8169 lapho wathola ucingo oluvela ku-072-3995787 ahlala imizuzwana engamashumi ayisishiyagalombili nesishiyagalolunye ukuthi baqhunywa ithawa lena u2G Voliter SGS1.
at 1857,
Yes, my lord.
1857,
Yes. 1857 27726688169 MOC outgoing call originating call 17 seconds on 26/10/2014 and 18:57 15 to 27608435095 South Tower 2G Belgravia SGS2.
Manje u-072-766-8169 ngomhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi 18:57:15 yafonela yona inumber EU0608435095 bahlala imzuzwana yeshumi nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa itower u2G Belgravia SGS2.
Belgravia is also in Johannesburg. Do you agree?
But uyavuma yini ukuthi Belgravia seJohannesburg?
Sub-Purpose, I don't know where she shall from town, my lord.
Athi yebo ngiyazi ukuthi cellphone nangazi ukuthi kuphi.
At 23 minutes past 7 in the evening,
27727668169, outgoing MOC called originating 2610-2014, 1923-22, 446 seconds to 27776806676, Salto 2G Goud Street SGS 1.
2007-27668169 umhla 26 October 2014 ngo-1922 yafonela inumber 076 806 6676 bahlala imizuzwana ekhulu namashumi amane nesithupha kusetshenziswa-ke manje itower u2G Gold Street SGS1.
will you agree with me that Holt Street is one of the streets of Johannesburg? Holt Street.
I think so, my lord, yes.
bathi uvumelana nami yini ukuthi umgwaqo lona uGold Street useJohannesburg wathi yebo ngicabanga kanjalo.
At 26 minutes to 8,
26,
1934,
1934, 27727668169, MTC call terminating, receiving a call for 38 seconds at 2610-2014 at 1934-59 from number 27846940603, cell tower 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
Bathi number 0727668169 umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi ku-1934-59 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-08469400603 bahlala emzuzwana yamashumi amathathu nesishiyagalombili kusetshenziswa itower lapha u2G Moy Street SGS1.
is the same tower at 1941, 19 minutes to 8 in Moy Street. Do you agree?
That's correct.
Bathi ngo-1941 kuseyiyona leyo tower okwakufunwa ngayo.
At 8 minutes past 8, 2008,
27727668169, outgoing call MOC call originating 2610-2040 at 200847 for 58 seconds to 277117537, cell tower 2G Goud Street SGS 2.
Number 0727668169 umhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi wo-20:08:47 yona yafonela le number u-071175387 bahlala-ke imizuzwana amashumi amahlanu nesishiyagalombili lapho-ke babesenzisa itower lethiwa u2G Gold Street SGS2.
at 2016, that is 16 minutes past 8, is the same tower at Holt Street, Johannesburg, correct?
That's correct, my lord.
16 minutes past 8 kwakusasetshenziswa yona leyo tower futhi.
Is the same position at 2026 at Holt Street, Johannesburg, correct?
That's correct.
Bathi ngo-2026 yebo kusetshenziswa yona leyo tower.
At 2027 is the same tower in Johannesburg, correct?
That's correct.
Bathi ngo-2027 kusetshenziswa yona leyo tower bathi yebo kunjalo.
So let's get now into the 27th. The 27th of October.
So read from
The 27th of October 2014, a day after,
the 26 years.
yes. Are you with me there? Do you
Yes.
see that
Yes, my lord.
All right, let's start at, let me see, 08.
277, that's the second line from the bottom, page 11. 277, 27668169. Received a call, MTC, call terminating from 27822, 22550728 for 66 seconds. 3G Moy Street, SGS 1.
120727668169 umhla 27 October 2014 isikhathi 080817 athola ucingo oluvela ku-082255078 olwathatha imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisithupha nesithupha kusetshenziswa yena u-2G Moy Street SGS 1.
Before we proceed, I just want to indicate something on the change of dates, where we ended on the 26th of October 2014. We ended with 2027 at Holt Street. So there were no other telephone recordings in between the 20th, the time 2027 and the following day, the time 8 minutes past 8 in the morning of the 27th.
There's no record of any calls from that time.
Akho incingo esibonakalayo ukuthi zangena kusukela umhla 26 kusihlwa ngo-2032 kuyofikela ngo-8 ngosuku olulandelayo mhla 27 ngo-8:08 ekuseni.
Let's move to the next one is, sorry, it must. So the next, let's look at in between the time of 8 minutes past 8 up to the 30th of October. I think these are lengthy recordings. From that time, on the 27th of October, up to the 30th of October, it shows that this number was at Johannesburg and Alexandra.
My lord, I don't know where's all the towers.
All right.
But there's Moy Street, Goud Street, we say it's Fox Street, Jeppy,
We are in page 20, sorry.
page
the
12.
date- Page 12. now.
From page 11, council asked, state to me that from the 8 minutes past 8 on the 27th of 10, 2014, up until the 30th.
Until the 30th of October 2014.
Belgrave Kensing, I don't know where's the Ronga station, my lord. That's on page 13. I don't know where's the Ronga station.
Wait. I'm lost.
It's page 12, my lord.
13.
Eh?
Yeah, I've got page 12.
Proceeded to page 13.
So it goes up to page 13.
That's correct.
Page 12, page 13.
That's why I said it's a lengthy. Until the 30th of October.
On the, my lord, just on the 29th of October, second line from the bottom, page 13, 29th of October 2014 at 12:14:31. I'll read the whole sentence. 27727668169. Received a call, MTC call terminating from 27796 559,057 for 133 seconds on 29/10/2014 at 12:14:31 while in the 2G Voslerus Square SGS tower. Let me just check. I'll just put it on the screen. 29/10. 29. 29, 12, 14.
You say it's how many seconds?
For 133 seconds, that's on page 13, second line from the bottom, my lord.
Can't find it.
29. Just check it. 12, 14. 12, 14 there.
Which one?
Okay, fine.
2726, it was 89, 29 October, 12, 14, 31 seconds. That's what I was on, but this one 655 9057. Now what's the name? Zona equal nemshuma amathathu nantathu bekusentshenziswa ke leatha u2G for Soros Square SGS3.
My lord, I don't know where is Groenweide, 2G Groenweide SGS. I don't know where is that tower.
Yeah.
It was
Which date is that, Mr. Host?
29/10/2014. That's the last line on page 13. We received the SMS. Was on a 2G Groenweide. And then just after that, on the first and the second line of page 14, the 29/10/2014 at 12:51:49. Was an outgoing call of 15 seconds, and then on 12:53 there was an incoming call, also an outgoing call of 100 seconds while it was in the 2G Groenweide SGS3. I don't know where is that tower, my lord. I can't say if it is in Joburg or where it is.
Yeah.
Kuthiwa ukuthi leya Groenweide ilaphi ngoba ke ngomhla 29 October 2014 isikhathi 12:51 17 wathola i-SMS wasekhipha ucingo 12:51:49 luya ku-072-185-22049 bahlala imzuzwana eyi-15 futhi ke waphinde wathumela enye i-call ngo-12:342 bahlale khona ikholo lemzuzwana kuwukuthi ufonela u-072-185-2049. Itower lesetshenziswayo lapha iyona iGroenweide.
And then on the just third line from the top, 29/10/14, at 13:08:13, he received a call while in the 2G Ramaphosa SGSC tower. I don't know where's that tower, my lord, if it's in Joburg or where it is.
Ramaphosa, you said?
Ramaphosa SGC3.
So ngomhla 29 October 2014 isikhathi sika 13:08:13 lapha wathola call evela 073 717 1810 ephuma ke lapha kwethawa ukuthi okusentshenziswa itower ekuthiwa uRamaphosa SGC3.
Sorry, Ramaphosa is in Germiston.
Okay. I don't know, my lord.
But I just want to conclude
Yes.
by saying, I just want to take you, firstly, I need your confirmation as per your evidence in chief that this number that has been receiving calls, making calls, SMSs,
Which number is that?
07,
07?
is it 072, Mr. Host? The one that you said it belongs to accused number 3. This 205.
0722766816.
Not too fast.
Sorry.
07227
0722766869. That one.
888
Yes.
Yes.
69.
You said that was the number for accused number 3. Correct?
I said I didn't identify. That was given by the investigation team. That's correct.
So the number is 072766 8169 wayinikwa investigation team azange ukuthola isiqiniseko sokuthi ekabani.
I'm following your evidence.
Yes.
I'm not putting or testing.
I understand.
Yes,
Yes,
I'm
I
putting, as per your evidence, you said this number belongs to accused number 3. When we were asked in chief examination that he was competing with accused number 5.
That's correct, ma'am.
Yes. the essence of this question is that on the 26th of October 2014 at 4 minutes past 5, this number was not at Foslorus. Do you see that?
26th of October at,
2014
yeah,
at 4 minutes past 5 in the afternoon or evening. This number,
You're on page, where's that
page
number?
11, my lord.
page 11.
Page 11.
Page 11. Okay, sorry, let me just get there. Hello? Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. So you said it's 26? Yes, sir. You said it's on the 26th of
On the
October.
26th of October
Page
2014.
page 11.
Page 11, my lord.
At what time? 26th
Time
October?
is 4 minutes past 5. 17:04.
4 minutes past.
5.
For how many minutes? How many seconds is it?
124, my lord.
124.
It's part in the middle.
Okay, fine, yeah?
The page.
Okay, I found it.
My question is, from that time up to the 27th of October, the 27th of October 2014, this number was not within the vicinity of Foslorus.
Not according
You
to the
agree?
data, my lord.
Uthi ke ummeli suka nge-26 kuyoshaya nge-27 le number le yayingekho khona ke eFosterus. Uthi ke umephenduka ufakazi lokho akushiwo imininingwane nama i-data le.
Sorry?
Not according to the data, my lord.
Sorry?
Not according to the data, my lord. He was not in Phosphorus. That's correct.
Hayi ngokwayo ke iFosterus ngokwayo i-data lena yayingekho eFosterus, kuyiqiniso lokho.
And this implies that accused number 3 was not in Foslorus from that time up to the 27th of October 2014.
I can't say that, my lord.
Please, my lord, we object against that question. I think maybe the handset was not, the handset, but not the accused.
Yeah, that's the point.
I'm glad. I wanted to take the state on that aspect. That's the reason why I'm asking this question to this witness. This witness is an expert. This witness said he understands the towers. This witness, when he was led with confidence that accused number 3 and number 5 were communicating and gave the numbers to this court. With confidence, because the state wanted to prove that there was a communication between accused number 3 and number 5. Secondly, they wanted to prove that accused number 5 and number 3 know each other. The point that I'm driving this court to, emanating from what my colleague is saying, I did not get the philosophy behind the adducing of evidence which may or which will create a fundamental principle in a creation of a presumption.
As a court, please, my learned friend is busy with the argument.
No. It's not an argument. It's not an argument. It's a,
Let's first, Mr. Mngomezulu, let's Baroy put his
I'm
point.
replying from what Baloyi was saying, Madam.
Yeah, but when he wants to answer you, then you say it's not an argument, then he sits down.
Yes.
So me, I don't know who to listen to. So remember, I spoke about the tavern yesterday, or day before yesterday.
Indeed, my learned, I'm sorry about that, my lord. My learned friend is busy addressing the court and talking about the philosophy behind the leading of certain evidence. This witness cannot be of assistance as far as that is concerned. Hence, we're saying that it's a point of argument that he can perhaps raise at the conclusion of the case.
May I respond by saying, my lord? When the state introduced the evidence of the 205s, the primary aim was to prove to this court that these 5 accused persons know each other. We are talking about the evidence that they want to adduce in order to prove that accused number 1 to 5, they know each other. That's the first point. I'm talking about the physique of these accused persons. The evidence submitted to this court, as it was objected, as it constitutes irrelevancy, is that the state, as it has deviated from proving all the elements of the case, they now wanted to prove that these accused persons know each other. Number 2, the state submitted evidence in relation to the numbers that belonged to these particular accused persons. In the same, where's my document? You took it from me. Yes, in the same GG, in the same exhibit that we are reading from, there is a record document attached
Yeah.
to prove the owner of the person, the owner of the device that is reflected in this exhibit. Accused number 1, cell number 079-379-0137 is the number that the state has led that belongs to accused number 1. It was not an assumption that this number belongs to accused number 1. It has been put as evidence by the state, and accused number 1 admitted that that number belongs to him. That question or that submission or that evidence was directed to the person of accused number 1 being the owner or the possessor of that particular device. 205s were done, especially this 205, the one that we are reading from. It's a 205 of accused number 3. We cannot turn a blind eye and say we assume that this number might be a number for accused. It's evidence brought by the state to prove that we will prove to this court that accused number 3 was in communication with other accused persons. I don't find any fallacy in my submission to say any philosophy to be created must either be understood under a presumption. If I'm in possession of this cell phone, a presumption will always be rebuttable, depending on the explanation of the person is alleged to be in possession of that cell phone. But in this case, the state has led evidence for a number of weeks, laboring on the evidence to prove that the owners of these phones belong to these accused persons. Now, if this witness, I didn't say the witness must conclude and say this, he did not compile this, but he was adamant to testify subject to that lady there from Vodacom coming to confirm the contents thereof. There is no doubt that this document belongs to accused number 3. Any movement from Foslorus, because now they can see that this evidence takes accused number 3 away from the crime scene, they want to raise an objection. I was waiting for this opportunity to come. Hence, I was even telling, when I was showing that I've got the 205 for Kelly Kumalo, I was sure that I wanted any evidence from the state that deals with 2014. In conclusion, my Lord, before, if my colleague wants to make submissions, this witness has been confident to the extent that when he brought the first affidavit, which is DD5, suddenly there were so many alterations and changes based on the numbers in order to prove that all these accused, these numbers belong to them. So there's direct evidence according to this document that this number belongs to accused number 5, and it is the defense of accused number 5 that he was not at Fort Lawrence.
Yes, sir. You want to say anything?
Well, after that long argument, my Lord, the state's objection was simple. It was put to the witness that given the fact that on the 26th of October 2014 at 17:04 and 39 seconds, the handset was no longer in Foslores, it proves that, it shows that the accused number 3 was no longer in Foslores, and all that. We raised an objection and said all that it says, it just shows that the handset, not the accused.
Physical presence.
Yes, that was the that was the only objection, my Lord.
Yeah. What's the time there?
It's 15:25, my Lord. It's almost. It's
Are you available tomorrow?
almost the end of the day.
Lieutenant, is it?
I'm still available tomorrow.
Yeah. So there's a distinction between a handset, and a human being.
Sorry, before we adjourn, I'd request that accused number 2 be brought at 9 tomorrow, because I've given him some homework and we need to consult tomorrow in the morning before we resume.
Who transports accused to? Are they,
The investigating team will arrange that.
Oh, they will arrange it. You say they'll arrange it.
Thank you, Malata.
Okay, let's meet tomorrow.